Good morning, everybody. Happy 3-day weekend if you're lucky enough to have Monday off for President's Day. So guess what today is? So I got my February Redbird Vintage box this morning. Interestingly enough, a little off topic, Katherine Young, who is a YouTuber who's great. If you don't watch her videos, please do yourself a favor and watch Catherine's videos. She's very creative, does a lot of great vintage hauls. I believe she's a vintage reseller. I know she's got a Poshmark page that she talks about once in a while. Anyway, she did her, I watched hers this morning, so I guess she got hers yesterday. And while I was watching hers, she had gotten a caftan from Redbird. And it was, I'm not really a caftan person, but I was like, it's kind of a great idea, right? Instead of just lounging around in sweats or yoga pants or whatever. And she had gotten this really beautiful caftan. So I had wanted to go to Goodwill this morning, which I did. And as I'm leaving, they're delivering this. And I'm like, oh, should I do the unboxing video first, or should I go to Goodwill? And I was like, you know what? We're going to get sleet and snow today. I just want to go to Goodwill, get it over with. I'll do it when I come home. So when I'm in Goodwill, what do my eyes see? But yes, a caftan. And it's pretty groovy. So I decided, since I have a groovy caftan, I'm going to let my hair flow. This is why it's hard for me to do vintage styles, because it's really long. And I shouldn't complain, because there was a time when I had no hair after chemo. But that's a whole nother story. So let's dive into the Redbird box. Okay. As usual, it's, in gorgeous paper. I'm going to put my glasses on, guys, so that I can read the card. Oh, this is funny. The flare this month is a stick pin. And it's very similar to the one that Katherine got, which is funny. So let me start with the card. Sabelle, thank you for your purchase. We hope you enjoy your box this month, Sarah and Karen. Well, thank you, Sarah and Karen. I'm sure I will. I usually do. All right, so this is super cute. And yeah, Catherine's stick pin was really similar. So, and I watched a couple of other videos. I think a lot of us are going to be getting, stick pins that are heart-shaped for Valentine's Day. So it's really cute. I don't wear stick pins a lot, but that's the kind of thing that, because it's specific for a holiday, had we had school on Monday or something, or, I could have worn that for Valentine's Day, because my littles love that stuff. They're so funny. All right. And of course I can't get the ribbon undone. Of course. All right. There we go. Another piece of ribbon. I have so much ribbon for me. And here's the accessory bag, guys. Here we go. Oh, and I see the other thing in here, which we'll look at in a minute, but I'll give you guys a peek. I had requested this, so I'm really excited I got it. So let's see what we got. I'm just going to dump the bag, and looks interesting so far. Well, let's start with the first piece. This piece I had actually bought, and I'm going to explain why. It is, now this is 1980s. This is a very 1980s piece. These were very popular in the 1980s, and the reason they were popular is it was a throwback to the 40s. In fact, let me see how close I can get to this. Panthers and actually tigers, I don't remember lions so much, but panthers and tigers, especially panthers, were super popular as pins and brooches in the 40s. In fact, my grandmother had a panther lamp that I always loved, and for some reason I didn't get when they sold the house, that was from the 1940s. And so when I saw this, I grabbed it because I thought it would be really great. Now, the 1940s one would have been literally just black, maybe have a collar on it. Sometimes the eyes were done. This, I guess, because of the spots, is more like a black leopard. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I see some stuff I don't think I'm going to like already. I hate that, because I like those two. I don't want to dislike anything that they send me, but okay. So this is, so this is also kind of a stick pin, but this might be, yeah, this might be, can you guys see how pretty that is? It's like an amethyst, and this this may actually be vintage 1940s based on the clip. But what women used to do with these, it is because it has the C-clasp, and it's really cool. What they would do is, like, you would have say a blouse that had a bow that tied, and instead of tying it in a bow, you would do it in an ascot style, and then you would slip this in to hold it in place, and that's how you would decorate it. So that's what this is. So, oh, yeah. These are not really my style. I gotta be honest, these are not me. Not only are they not really 40s, they're just really not me. They're these have a very 60s, 70s kind of flair. I mean, with this caftan, they're kind of interesting. They're a little too Mrs. Roper for me. Like, I don't know if there's like Mrs. Roper style. Is that a thing? Like, you know, I know there's cottagecore. I know there's girls that like to dress like Jessica Fletcher. So is there like Mrs. Roper core, something like that? That would be perfect. Not really my bag though. But hey, you win some, you lose some. Ooh. But this next piece is exactly the kind of stuff I like. So, ooh, this is pretty. All right, can you guys see that? Look at how nice that is. Let me see which way the brooch goes. Okay, so it clips downward, so I guess it's supposed to go this way, but still, look, that is gorgeous. Oh, I really like this. This is super pretty. Wow. And this is obviously probably 70s, but really, really nice. Let's get another look at that. I think I'll use that as the thumbnail because it's so pretty. All right, and then, okay. This also doesn't look like my style, but let's take a look at it. Actually, the funny thing about this is this is more Katherine Young stuff. Apparently, I got stuff for Catherine's box in mine. Okay, and it's hooked, which kind of sucks. Okay, yeah. Again, this is a little too Mrs. Roper for me. I'm trying to even get this untangled so I can show it to you guys. Yeah, not my bag, guys. Yeah, but the funny thing is really, I think like Katherine Young would love this. She said she likes stuff like this. And look, with the caftan, it does kind of have its moment with the caftan, but it's not my style. It's a little too big. For me, it's a little too garish. So yeah, that's not gonna work. But hey. 2 out of, what is it, 5 so far? It's not bad. All right, so what is this? Ooh. Well, this is cute and clearly vintage because of the clasp. Wow. This is really cool looking. So it's a bracelet. And then let me show you the clasp, which is tarnished, which means it might actually be silver plated. And then it has little pieces in here that kind of, let's see if we can get a close-up. Can you guys see those? Yeah, they're hard to see. Can you see that? There we go. It kind of holds the bracelet together. Let me see if I can get it on. If I can figure it out. If I can figure it out. Oh, there we go. You know. Of course, I can't get it hooked because, you know, chewing gum, walking, that kind of stuff. Oh, wait. Oh. Ouch, and I pinched my skin. Okay, I got it. Ooh, okay. Oh, yeah, look at that. I do like this. This is awesome. Like, I'm imagining myself wearing this like in the summer, you know, where you're wearing a little more white accessories and unusual stuff like this. So yeah, this is awesome. All right, so only 2 things I'm not really in love with. Not bad. Not bad. And let's see the thing that I requested. Now, this is a purse. I do not think it's from the 40s, but it's very reminiscent of 40s style clutches. I believe this is from the 70s. Yeah, it's from the 70s. I can tell by the zipper because it's a plastic zipper. But how cool is this, guys? It's a clutch that's like knitted, and they're kind of like little pom-poms. And then it's hard to see on film, but it's slightly, can you see, guys, see how shiny it is? It's like a shiny material. And then the interior, this is in great shape. Wow. This actually almost seems like it was never used. Huh. But really cute, right? And such really, really good to add to my like 40s stuff. This is very 40s looking. Crocheted clutches like this were really popular in the 40s. Even though I know that this isn't the 40s, it has that style. I really like it. And I'm not a big like has to be true vintage kind of person. I love true vintage, but if it fakes it well, I'm good. I'm good with that. So that was my Redbird Vintage haul. And yeah, 2 pieces I didn't like. Not a big deal. And you know, maybe I should mail the 1 piece to Katherine because it, you know, is right up her alley. But anyway, so I will see you guys in the next video where I will be going over some patterns that I got at Goodwill. That was the reason I was doing such an early morning Goodwill, I want to get there as soon as they open kind of thing, was because, as I had said in some previous videos, I'd gotten all those kids patterns, and I knew that somewhere there were a bunch of women's patterns that had not made it out on the, you know, dance floor at Goodwill. And I was right. I went in Friday on a whim and picked up 4 bags of patterns, including a pattern that's as old as I am, from the 60s, and it's uncut and factory folded. And I was like, whoa. So obviously I'm going to put them up on my Etsy page, but I cheated on you guys. I went through the patterns, and you know, I'll give you a quick preview. This is the only one I'm keeping. This one is because it was open, and this is awesome. There were 2 of these, and it's just an A-line skirt pattern, and this is a paper pattern, but not pattern paper. It's actually like a heavier, you know, I'll show you. It's like this kind of paper, right? Not pattern paper. So I'm keeping this one, but I am going to go through the box, which I organized. So I'm going to go through them. I'll make a separate video, and I'll show you what I got in that haul. So that'll be coming up in the next couple of days. And I'll probably do a Valentine's Day video. And until I do another video, everybody stay well. It is absolutely gray out today in New Jersey. We're about to get another storm. So anyway, people on the East Coast, you know what I'm talking about. We're getting hammered. But until the next video, please like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, ladies. Oh, and gentlemen, and every gender determination in between.